Okay, we're going to talk about accounting software and why it's important. In the previous videos, I talk about payment processors so that you know how you can receive the money and why that's important. Seriously, you need to know how to receive your money. But there are some things in life that you cannot get around it. Tax. It's important that you keep a track of the invoice that you send or what people are paying you, because sometimes you need to pay tax, sometimes you don't. It depends on your situation. If you're not making a lot of money, you don't have to pay tax. It depends on the rules in your country. But if you're making a lot of money, hey, you need to watch out. So you need to figure out, okay, what do I need to do? Account the software, it's important. So you're probably asking yourself, okay, account the software, I need to hire an accountant for bookkeeping. A lot of stuff, it's difficult. I do not know what to do. You don't need to know that. What you need to know is the following. There are some services out there that can help you a lot with these things. And if you're in America, you can use this accounting software for free and can also help you get some advice from accounting or bookkeeping. And yeah, it saves you a lot of time. This software is for free that I'm going to talk about, but you can use it everywhere. The only problem is you need to figure out what the rules is about your tax in your country and see what you have to do and what you don't have to do. That's technically it. The thing is, the tax is really difficult to explain. So what I'm going to do is, if you have questions about this part, go on the text us page on the Discord, the link you will find in the description, and there you can ask me more questions about it. So let's go. So you see here, this is the free accounting software that you can use. There are a lot of out there that say they are free, but watch out. This is really free. This is really free. I saw some startups, they started out with this. Now they are big, they don't want to switch, but this is really free. Okay? So this accounting software gives you the option to connect with PayPal and also Stripe. That's easy because when someone buys something for you, you get to see it in your system and you don't have to do anything. And that's the nice thing about this. So my advice to you is make sure you start using this. Make sure you understand how it works, because on their website, they make a lot of things simple for you. And because they make it simple for you, this is something you can really start. It doesn't matter which country you are. Yeah? You just need to know how much tax do I need to ask, or do I do not need to ask any tax if I do outside my country. The benefits of this is the following. You see on Coffee page, they offer you the option to put taxes on your product or not. And that's something you need to look into it. But if you do not know how to do it, feel free to ask us for advice and we'll try to help you. Keep in mind, when you sell something on Coffee, they give you the option to put tax on a product or not. And it's all up to you, because let's say if I'm in the Belgium and I order something, Coffee page to see the IP, and based on that, they will do the tax of Belgium. If I'm in, let's say in Australia, same thing. That's technically how you need to see it. So because they already do it in Coffee and it will be imported in your Wave app, it's easy. You can connect all these things with each other. So let's say I'm using Coffee and I have the PayPal provider and I have an accounting system. So technically on Coffee, it will create a payment. It will put tax on it or not. And then the money will go to the payment provider. And then the information will go to the Wave app. And then you see exactly. By connecting those things with each other, so if I connect these things with each other, this is automatic. And the benefit of that is you don't have to do a lot of things. It creates automatically invoice for you. That's something you need to keep in mind. So why not use it? It's for free. Most of the time people pay a lot to get this system. They pay a lot for people to connect the system with each other. And that's something you don't want to do, because this is really simple if you understand it. But if you have to pay a lot for it, afterwards you're going to be like, I prefer that I did my own research. Now I'm telling you, why not do it? So if you're new to this channel and you like this video, subscribe and like the video. Seriously, like the video and subscribe. If you have questions about this, just go in the Discord. In the Discord, you will find a channel text us page. And text us page, you can ask us more questions about this, or if you have a system, you want to know what the options are, you want some advice, you're a consultant, seriously, put it in there. Yeah. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.